Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, your daily dose of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is effectively. So, what does effectively mean? Effectively is an adverb, and at a B1 level, it means in a successful way. It describes how something is done, highlighting its success or desired outcome. In simpler terms, if you do something effectively, you do it well and achieve what you intended. Think about a doctor who effectively treats a patient, or a teacher who effectively explains a difficult concept. Now, let's explore some synonyms of effectively. One synonym is efficiently. We can say, the new software efficiently manages our data, which is similar to saying, the new software effectively manages our data. Another useful synonym is successfully. For example, she successfully completed the project ahead of schedule. Parallels, she effectively completed the project ahead of schedule. Another one is productively. He spent the morning productively working on his report. Mirrors, he spent the morning effectively working on his report. Let's add capably. She capably handled the difficult situation. Is like saying, she effectively handled the difficult situation. Finally, consider adeptly. The chef adeptly prepared the elaborate meal is similar to the chef effectively prepared the elaborate meal. Let's switch gears and look at some antonyms of effectively. What words mean the opposite? A key antonym is ineffectively. We could say, he ineffectively tried to fix the car, which is the opposite of fixing it effectively. Another antonym is inefficiently. The team inefficiently used their time, highlights a lack of success, in contrast to using it effectively. Another useful word is uselessly. The old machine uselessly sat in the corner is the reverse of working effectively. We can also use badly. He performed badly on the test, indicates a lack of success, unlike performing effectively. Consider poorly as well. The project was poorly managed contrasts with managing it effectively. How can we use effectively in everyday life? Think about common phrases. You might say, to communicate effectively, you need to listen. Or, we need to use our resources effectively. You can also hear it in sentences like, the medicine worked effectively to relieve her pain. Or, the advertisement effectively persuaded people to buy the product. Also, think about giving advice. You could say, to study effectively, create a schedule. Or, in a work context, delegating tasks effectively is important for managers. Let's look at some more usage examples. The training program effectively prepared the employees for their new roles. Another example is the politician effectively delivered his message to the crowd. A simple one. The vacuum cleaner effectively removed the dirt. Consider this one. The company effectively implemented new safety procedures. And one more. She effectively managed her time to meet all her deadlines. To recap, effectively means in a successful way. We explored synonyms like efficiently, successfully, productively, capably, and adeptly. We also looked at antonyms such as ineffectively, inefficiently, uselessly, badly, and poorly. Remember, effectively describes how something is done and if it achieves its desired result. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. Now, I have a little request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and learn English too. And here's a challenge for you. Try to create your own sentence using the word effectively and share it as a comment below. I can't wait to read them. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing. Bye for now.